Somewhere in the city, something's gone on in a wee hall up a lane. What are these folk? What are they doing? Is it secret? Is it even legal? Dinna pit off, the door's nae snaked. Just ca' it open and come in. Radio's just a honeyrear all, but for 75 of them, club members have been spicking Doric to all parts of the world. It's a hobby that attracts folk of all ages across the planet, and even farther. Members get together once a week, travelling in the same road as the great radio giants like Marconi, Hertz, Volta, Faraday, and, of course, our own Robbie Shepherd. We've a lot to thank them for. Radio amateurs can use muckle or wee radios using Spicken, Morse, or newfangled digital wise. The club has regular second-hand ropes showing how it's done, and great crack. Anybody can listen to amateur radio, but if you want to speak, you have to learn and pass an exam. Then you can ca' yourself a ham. No, nae that kind of ham. And set up your ain shack in a spare room. Or a garden shed. A camper van. Or even your ain bedroom cupboard. The society has its ain shack, but you can set up anyway, from a sunny park to a dreich hill. You cannot broadcast or play tunes though. We're nae the BBC, but hams can make sure Doric is heard all round the world.
Not much going on today. Weather here's a bit overcast today, so. I heard another call on, I think it was all. They normally get strong signals for down there, but that worked out alright. So I wonder if it kind of stuff he was working.
Marconi's first transatlantic contact was using just a letter or Morse code, and his system is still in use and growing by the day. So, dinna put off. Come join us in spreading the Doric tongue. Our club enjoys going out to transmit for special places, such as parks, castles, railways, mills, or even lighthouses. We can set up portable gear and speak to others in similar places. But sometimes we just enjoy playing radio in peace and quiet with our own equipment, far away from Aberdeen. And horizons are expanding too. The International Space Station carries ham radio equipment, and hams can speak to the astronauts direct.
Yeah, you were saying last time you had a bit of a problem with your aerial. Did you ever get that sorted out?
Far kens how far Doric can travel in future. So dinna pit off, ca' the door open and gie it a go.